welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make raw wings. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. We will start with making the breading. We will need dates, of course soaked, a tomato, teaspoon of salt, some sweet pepper, black pepper, and cold pressed oil. If you want more spicy wings, you can replace sweet pepper by hot one, but in my opinion it comes out quite spicy anyway. Now we mix everything together. To the mass now we have to add finely chopped onion. It smells like sweet and sour sauce. The wings we make from cauliflower. We have to cut it into small pieces for one bite. We use for it only the top flowers. The stalk we can use, for example, in the sauce. Now we have to coat the wings with the breading.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the
Our wings are ready for drying. Depends on the thickness of the breading, it will dry for about 3 to 5 hours. Remember to not exceed 45 Celsius degrees. Bon appetit!